Imagine a simple, natural approach to weight loss that doesn't require calorie counting or fad diets. Welcome to the 16-8 intermittent fasting method, the most popular plan for weight loss success. But how does it work and why is it so effective? Let's explore the science, benefits, tips for success, and the risks you should be aware of. The 16-8 method is simple. You fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. For most people, this means skipping breakfast, having their first meal at noon, and finishing dinner by 8 p.m. During the fasting period, only water, black coffee, or tea are allowed. This timing syncs with your body's natural circadian rhythm, promoting efficient digestion and fat burning. So, what's the science behind it? During fasting, insulin levels drop, allowing your body to burn stored fat for energy. At the same time, fasting triggers a process called autophagy, your body's way of cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating new ones. Studies show that intermittent fasting can reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and even boost brain function. The benefits are clear: weight loss, reduced risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, improved mental clarity, and even anti-aging effects. But the 16-8 plan's biggest advantage? It's sustainable. Unlike restrictive diets, it's easy to stick to over the long term. Here are some tips to make the most of the 16-8's method. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water keeps hunger at bay during the fasting window. Start with nutrient-dense meals. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber to stay fuller longer. Avoid overeating during the eating window. It's tempting, but overeating can undo the benefits of fasting. Be consistent. Stick to the same fasting and eating schedule every day to see the best results. But it's not for everyone. Intermittent fasting isn't suitable for pregnant women, people with eating disorders, or those with certain medical conditions. Some may experience fatigue or irritability as the body adjusts. If you're unsure, consult your healthcare provider before starting. The 16-8 intermittent fasting method is more than a diet. It's a lifestyle change backed by science. By harnessing the power of fasting, you can achieve sustainable weight loss and unlock a healthier, happier version of yourself. So, why not give it a try and see the difference it can make?